What's a guan? How is everybody feeling? So guys, I've been wanting to share my go-to green smoothie recipe with you, and the ingredients that I'll be using, you probably already have them in your home. Keep watching guys, because this smoothie recipe that I am going to share with you has a whole lot of benefits, and your body is going to love you for it. Right here I have some chopped lettuce and some chopped sweet pepper. Lettuce contains a lot of vitamin A, which can improve the quality of your vision and help you to sleep better. It also has vitamin K, and vitamin K is very vital because it helps to strengthen our bones. Sweet peppers. These are also called bell peppers. They are high in vitamin A and C, potassium, folic acid, and fiber. Avocado, we call it pear here in Jamaica. This fruit has so many vitamins and minerals that are important for our well-being. Pear contains magnesium, riboflavin, omega-3 fatty acids, and the list goes on. There are so many more vitamins and minerals in this fruit that are healthy for us, and that's one of the reasons why I like to add it to my smoothies. Coconut milk is my go-to milk for my smoothies because it's healthy and it lowers blood pressure and cholesterol. It helps to build your muscles and reduce fat, and it's rich in electrolytes and it can prevent fatigue, and also it assists with weight loss. Cinnamon has antiviral, antibacterial, and antifungal properties. It contains antioxidants with anti-inflammatory effect. It reduces blood pressure, it lowers blood sugar and the risk of type 2 diabetes. If you have digestive discomfort at times, you can add a little cinnamon powder to your smoothie and it will help you to relieve it. I will be using some frozen spinach. I had to freeze it guys because spinach spoils easily. Spinach is an excellent source of iron and it helps to keep anemia away. I'm going to add the lettuce to the blender guys, and I previously washed my vegetables, so make sure that you wash your vegetables. I used a medium lettuce to get this much in the blender, so you can use whichever lettuce that you want. Now I am going to add the bell pepper, which is the sweet pepper of course, on top of the lettuce. If you're not a fan of sweet peppers, you could use cucumbers. Cucumbers also have their own share of nutritional benefits. You could also use a green apple. I'm adding the frozen spinach now guys, but I realized that not a lot of persons like spinach and it doesn't taste bad at all, you know guys. All you have to do is just freeze it and then you add it to your smoothie. I was hesitant about spinach at first, but when I did the research and I realized how good it was for me, I started to introduce it in my diet more often. This recipe only needs half of a pear. If you add more than half to it, it's going to be super thick and you will have to use a spoon to drink it. I don't like when my smoothie is that thick. I like when I have a little liquid in it and I can use a straw to drink. Not only is the pear nutritious, it gives the smoothie a very creamy texture and it's easier to digest. I am going to add the coconut milk to this now, and everything is coming together so nicely. I can't wait to start blending this, and most of all I can't wait to have some of this because I know how good it is for me. But you can use about 1 cup of chilled coconut milk. If you're not looking for a thick smoothie, you can use a little bit more. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for choosing my channel of all the other channels on YouTube. I am super happy to have you here. You can become a part of the family by clicking the subscribe button and turning your notification bell on. I can assure you that you will not regret, because I post very informative and educational videos. To my subscribers, guys, you don't know how much I appreciate you. Thank you so much for your continued support. It's that time where I add the cinnamon powder. And again, like I always say guys, just add as much of the ingredients that you want. I like the taste, so I add a little bit more. Maybe it's about a teaspoon, but I didn't do any measurement, guys. Just hit that button on the blender and start blending, guys, because that was the last ingredient needed for the smoothie. A little cinnamon powder is on the blender, guys, and it decided that it's not coming off, but that's fine. I want you to share with me some of your go-to smoothie recipes that you enjoy and others have told you that they like themselves, because I enjoy to make smoothies a lot. This is almost finished blending. I am going to give it about another minute and then it will be good to go. But yes, guys, you could go ahead and comment down below. Comment some of your favorite meals to prepare and say why you like to prepare them. I can still see some of the vegetables in the blender, and that is telling me that it's not blended properly. My smoothie, if you will blend, guys, if it's not blended properly, it will not be as smooth as I want it to be, and I won't be able to enjoy it. But this looks fine, so I'm going to go ahead and pour it inside of a glass now. This makes about 3 small glasses of smoothie, so you could have one for your breakfast, one for your dinner, and give one to somebody else. But guys, this is what it looks like currently. There's something that you need to know about green smoothies. You have to drink it the same day. So I don't advise storing it, because most of the nutrients are available in the smoothie at that time. Don't think about storing it for too long. Just drink it right away so that your body can get all the natural nutrients and vitamins that it needs. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end, guys. If you have not yet subscribed, please click the subscribe button and leave a lovely comment down below. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video.